Hey, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize your Canva and how to streamline some processes to make your marketing efforts as easy as possible and to give you more time to go create all the pretty things that you love to create. So let's head over to Canva. And in here, we have our recent designs, which, as you know, it always looks like a train wreck. It is supposed to look like a train wreck. The design section of your homepage is set up chronologically. So your oldest designs come at the bottom, and then as you add new designs, they layer up to the top. So the newest thing you've done happens to be the first thing that you see. So a couple of things you want to do is first, you want to make sure all of your files have been named. So if you click on the pencil of this design right here, you can make sure that you have it named. Just like that, hit enter, and there you go, my file is named. Now, the other thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have added it to a folder, because folders will show up in their own tab inside your projects button right over here on the left-hand menu. So if you click the three dots on your design in your home screen, you can move to folder, and you can either use a folder that you have, or you can create a new folder. And let's call this one tutorial. Add to new folder. And as you'll see, you'll get this little gray box right here that shows you what folder this design can be found in. So that is how you organize this home feed to just make sure you have all of your files named, make sure you have them in folders, and then when you come to Canva to do some work, you won't have to worry about this feed at all because you know you'll have everything organized right over here in your projects tab, okay? So the next thing I want to show you, I have to open a post for you to see. Let's open that. And the next thing I want to show you is how to organize your uploads folder. Okay, so over here, it clicks up orange. I'm on the glow up version of Canva, but if you're on the old Canva, you still will see this on the left-hand menu. If you click uploads, it will come up and it will show you all of the images that you have uploaded into your Canva. So from here, again, if you click the three dots, you can add a tag right here, and you could put client logo, and then you can click done, okay? And then you can put multiple tags if you want to, but let's tag this one also, client logo, and put that there. So now let's go back through here. Let's just scroll down into here so we're not seeing anything at all, right? If you come here and you type in client logo, enter, look what shows up. It shows all the logos that people have either sent you or that you've worked on for them or whatever else. They will all show up right here. And these are all from my uploads folder. And if we do another example, if I type in, so I went through and I tagged all of these photos, and I named them all so that when I go to my uploads, instead of being in a scrambled mess, then I can definitely find whatever it is that I'm looking for. So that makes life super easy, and you can definitely organize your uploads that way. So let me do this and let me reshare my screen. There we go. And let's go here. So the next thing I want to show you is how to create, how to bulk create for multiple social media platforms. Okay. So we are going to start with a story. And the reason I'm starting with a story size graphic is, and it doesn't matter which of these I choose, as you can see, 1080 by 1920, that they're all the same. So we can start with that size design, okay? And what we are going to do is we are going to let my computer try to catch up. What we are going to do here is we are going to add some text. This is a text this is a font that I use a lot. And I'm just going to resize that and make it pretty big. Let's go to like, that looks good. Okay. So I'm going to move this up here, just like that. And then I'm going to come over here to apps. And I'm going to type in bulk create. And if you do a bulk create, you can either have Canva's AI do it for you, or you can upload any list that you might have saved in a Google Sheet, an Excel sheet, anything like that, that you can download as a CSV file to your computer. So we are going to upload a file that I've already made right here. Creative Customer Inspiration Sheet 1, and it is a .csv file. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. And I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click over here, connect data, and I'm going to highlight this, click on it, and then down here on the bottom, the purple continue button lit up. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. And then right here, it says generate 29 designs. So if I click that, it's generating. Very slowly. And this is what I get. So if I come in here, now I have 29 pages, all with a lovely saying on them that I can come in and I can change the background. I can change the size of my font if I'd like, whatever I want to change. And let's see if we can change the size of this font. And we can by just doing this. And then do this and resize it to fit. And we will center that. And then I can come to my uploads and I can add whatever photo. If I'm working for a client, for example, I can just put their logo here. If I want to share something that I made, or in this case, my client made, I can just click that. I can add this photo. and we are all set to go, right? So come through each page, doctor it up however you like, and suddenly you have 29 posts all ready to go, all ready to schedule for your Instagram. So the next thing we want to do after we have come through and modified all of these, I'm going to spare you the pain of that, but just make them all to your brand, just by clicking on each page, and then you would do the same edits like I just showed you. So after that, let's come over here to Resize and Magic Switch. And we're going to click social media, and we are going to click Instagram post. So that will work on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube community. We are also going to click Pinterest, because if we're making graphics and we're promoting our items to our Etsy shops, to our websites, our courses, whatever we have, or even a YouTube video, you absolutely want to be pinning on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest, and we're going to select Pinterest pin, and you'll see here it says 2 sizes selected. So I'm going to click continue. And it's going to show a preview. So this is what the Instagram post will look like. And then if I click here, this is what the Pinterest pin will look like. So if you click resize 2 designs, which we will go ahead and do, 2 new tabs are going to show up on your computer if you open the designs, okay? We don't have to do that right now, but that is how it would work. So if you click on open designs, you'll get a tab for each one that will open up in your browser, okay? So let's go back to home at this point, because I want to show you how you can schedule all of these to all of your places, okay? Because with Canva, you can schedule to a Facebook page, you can schedule to an Instagram page, you can schedule to your Pinterest, you can schedule to TikTok. The only places that you cannot schedule to is a Facebook group or a YouTube community post. But I'll show you here how to take care of all of that. So Instagram post, we're going to open a blank, because we want to be able to schedule all of these graphics that we just designed through Bulk Create. We want to schedule them all one by one, okay? So I'm going to come over in here, and I'm going to click projects. And we are going to click on here, and I'm going to select my first one, and there it is, okay? So now we can get rid of that. We just need the post we have. Say I want to change my background color, I can certainly do that. I can go ahead and add an element in here, or whatever I want to do. Like say we want to add, say I think that's just too boring. We could absolutely add some sort of element. And we can add whichever kind we like, we want to use. If you go to graphics, and you can come in here and just add this, say, for example, let's just make that a little bit smaller. And come down here, and let's match it on both sides. And let's bring the transparency down on that so it just gives a hint of it, just so it doesn't look like just a plain boring background, right? So let's go down here and make that the same, 39, done. You can also click on this if you know your transparency and enter it, And now we know that matches, and this is lovely. So if you come next to share and click Facebook page, you can select your Facebook page that you're working on. So yours should be connected to your Canva at this point. And then in here, you would put in your caption, text for your post. Whatever it is that you want to say, you would put it in here. Drop the link to your Etsy or your Facebook page or your wherever you want people to go. You can go ahead and do that. And if you're on the paid Canva, if you click the calendar, you can go ahead and you can schedule that post. Just pick a day and pick a time, whatever time you like. And this way you can make all of your posts automatically consistent at the same time every day. Helps people find you easier and all of the things. So we're going to go ahead and click done, and then we will click schedule. And let's go ahead and click Content Planner. And we will share that tab instead. It will pop up in its own new tab, your Content Planner. So in here, it's your calendar, right? And if you look and you scroll down here, you will see right here is the design that we just posted. So another way you can do it is if you go here and click the plus button, you can select any of these that you want from your projects. If you have your projects all made one by one. If you're doing a bulk post, this will not work. But you can, let's just click this for the sake of argument. And let's select a channel. And let's go here. And then you've selected more pages than this platform accepts. Please check your selection, or we'll proceed using the accepted limit. I'm just going to let it proceed. My caption goes here. And then we, up here, click the three dots, change date and time, and we can make that go on Saturday at 3 p.m. Done. And then click schedule. And let's do one more. So I just scheduled a Facebook and Instagram, and let's do a Pinterest because I want to show you what that looks like. If I can do this. I have no idea what I just did. Type in Pinterest and Pinterest pin. So I get a blank Pinterest pin. And again, we're going to come over here into projects. And let's go. So here we are. We went into the bulk folder and we found a Pinterest pin. So let's take this. We have it all set here and ready to go. And now if we click share and we click share on social, click Pinterest. And if you're logged into your Pinterest account, it will automatically connect to your Canva account. So on here, we can pick our board, title our pin. I'm going to put here SEO title, and then in here, SEO and keywords to attract clients, because that's what the description is for. And then down here, again, you would name this what you want to name it, and this is your message. Add your SEO and keywords to attract your clients. And then down here would be your website link. So whatever that is for you. And we can go ahead and we can schedule this now to go on Saturday at 2 o'clock, say, and go ahead and schedule. And there we have it. So it did connect. So let's go over to our content planner again, just so I can show you how this would all look. Let's get rid of that, and then let's go down here. So now I have an Instagram post, I have a Pinterest pin, and I have an Instagram post on my Instagram page, on my Facebook page, and in my Pinterest, okay? So if you do this, it's a new muscle to develop, right? So practice little bits at a time. Make a bunch of posts, maybe try 4. Maybe try one day of the week. Like on Monday, I want this sort of post. And then make 4 of them, 4 Mondays, that's a month, right? And then make your Instagram post that you can repurpose to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube communities. Then make your story, start with your story that can be used in Facebook and Instagram. If you turn it to a video, it can also be used in Pinterest and on YouTube Shorts. And then your Pinterest pin. And try scheduling those all out, even if it's just 4 at a time, because you want to practice growing your muscle to be able to batch create on a regular basis. And once you become accustomed to it, it's going to save you a ton of time. So I hope that helps you all. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or send me a message, whatever you want to do. And thank you for watching, and good luck. Work productively, okay? And have a great day.